Spatial join is used to join the attributes of two layers based upon spatial relationship between their features. For example, if you have the litter data and you want to show the relationship between litters and suburb, you can do so with spatial join. You can perform a join with either the join data dialog box accessed by right-clicking a layer in ArcGIS or the spatial join geoprocessing tools. The join can be done with one-to-one to get every suburb polygon once, or one-to-many to have a separate polygon for every overlapping litter point. A subset of attributes can also be defined in the field map parameters. The outcome of a spatial join is a new layer containing both sets of attributes from the target and joined features. Here, the join count shows the number of litter count in each suburb. There are 4 watchouts to take note of when performing spatial join. You may pause the video at this time to have a read through of this watchout.